Okay, Steph, we've got something ahead which might disturb Caley, but I'm going to let you see what I do. I'm going to ask Caley if she can cope with this. There's a noise behind us and she's not sure about that. What's that, Caley? She's looking. Can you? Nice, good girl. And now, just to add to the mix, we've got somebody climbing up it and making a noise. Yes, good girl. Can you do this? She's a bit anxious. Oh, good girl. Yes. Super. Super. Right, so I'm going to cross the road a bit because we've got to. Good girl. There we go. Close, Brecken. Brecken, close. Don't trip me up. Yes, good girl. Yes. There's a little bit of a cringe there, but you see, she's actually checked base with me. Good girl. Super. Yes. Super, Caley. So nice. Bit of a cringe there. Yes. But she's still within the threshold. Oh, was that just a noise? Oh, clever girl. Noise doesn't mean a thing, does it? Hey? Except nice things can happen. Hey, clever girl. What a super job. Super, Caley. Super duper. Well done.